Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Gmail password. First, open your browser and type mail.google.com and click the personal information and go to security. Click security. Signing into Google. I am changed last time password 29th August and now today changing my Gmail account password. Click password and enter your current password. Type your new password into the top box. Make sure your password contains at least 8 characters. Use a mixed letter, numbers and symbols. Type the new password again into the confirm new password blank. Click change password. It's the blue button at the bottom of the form. Please like the video and subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.